Hi everybody else. It has given me much pleasure that I can't measure. I consider this occasion a great treasure. Thereby we are going to reduce your pressure of English learning. Before starting the things, it's my great pleasure to be grateful to Almighty, who is omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient. And I would like to thank our correspondent sir, a good Samaritan, a great philanthropist. Next, I would like to thank our principal sir, who is hard-working man, who is known for his debonair, adroitness, alacrity, willing to do anything, everything, assiduously, and consider the pupil as his friends always. Hello, everybody else. It's my great pleasure. I'm going to contact you through this online class over the pronunciation skill, that is what you call phonetics in English. English, being exotic language and being lingua franca of India, each and everybody else should know how to talk in English in a good way. But most of us are talking only in Tanglish, not English at all. What's the reason behind this one is lack of learning phonetics. So thereby this program, we are going to overcome this, what do you call the phonetics problem, through our correspondent and principal and the management. On your behalf, on my behalf, on behalf of the parents, on behalf of the pedagogues of the great institution, reputed institution of ours, I would like to thank all the people who have attended this program with eager, with keenness. Phonetics, meaning how to pronounce the word in an exact way. How the English people are talking, that is what you call the phonetics way. Very simple. Whenever you meet anybody else, you will ask a question, how are you? Is this the way to ask? No. This is not at all a way. It's the incorrect way. The correct way is, how are you? I can say, how do you do? This is the way of asking the English at the beginning, very beginning stage. So in order to overcome these problems, we have planned, our management have planned to do this class. First, we are going to discuss in Tamil. You would have studied Veer, Mei, Veermai, and Aidam. But in English, we are having only two things: vowels and consonants. And in Tamil also, we have studied Uyireluthukal or Arichuvadi. In English, this is what you call alphabet. In English, alphabet. In Tamil, Arichuvadi. This is what you call, you would have studied in your earlier classes like A, A, E, like this. In English also, we are having how many alphabet? 26 alphabet. You should not pronounce We should not use this for plural form. Both singular and plural, same. 26 letters. How we are going to pronounce in an English way. Not way. Not day, day. Today being the red letter day in my life. This is the very first time I'm studying in front of the camera. I'm meeting you through these online classes. Thank you all. Let me start the things. 26 letters. The first one being, this is in Tanglish you have studied A, but in English phonetically, Yay. This is what you call B, long sound. This is what long sound means, needle. This is short sound, kuril. In Tamil, both we are having kuril, needle equally. But in English, we are having same. If you have your two dots, that denotes long sound. There is no dots, that shows short sound. Please do remember in your mind. A, B, C, D, E, F. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. So these are the pronunciation with regard to the alphabet in English. Once again I am going to read. So once again I remind you, if the letter is having two dots means long sound, there is no dot means short sound. A, not A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. This is what we call English alphabet pronunciation. So let's So this is a beginning, very beginning to learn each and everything in an English way. So thank you. Meet little later.